what are some perks of working from office? Because there also we get some perks, right?
Yes, hello,
Hello. Hello, Rahul.
I'm
How are
audible.
you?
I'm good.
Okay. So it's good to see you again.
I think you didn't remember me.
Yeah, I do. Okay. So, as you might remember, my name is Diksha and I'll be taking
Yes,
your session today. All right.
okay.
Okay. So, should we start with the topic?
Yes, we can start.
Okay. Okay. So, the topic is office life or work from home. Correct?
Yes,
Okay. So, if you had a choice, which one would you pick?
this time so I would to love work from home.
Sorry, can you repeat the
I would
sentence?
prefer, I would prefer now work from home.
Oh, okay. Yeah, work from home has been a famous choice from la past 3 years, I think. 3 years.
Yes,
Yeah, it's been 3 years from COVID. So, what are the perks of either mode of working? Like both of them.
work from home you have like do another work also and also save a time to go for when you are going office. You have spend 1 to 2 hours for when you are going.
Correct.
Then you have like best 2 hours, 3 hours in going for office.
Yeah.
When you are doing in work from home, no need to go anywhere.
Okay. Yeah, and you can work from comfort of your home, right?
Yes, do
And
another
all,
work also sometimes.
yeah. No, go on. Sorry for interrupting. Go on.
No, okay, it's
No, go on. What were you saying? You can complete the sentence.
no. Just I'm saying कि when you are doing work from home, do some another work also
Yeah,
and
we can.
spend time with family.
Correct, correct, correct. Yeah, when we get the time in between, we can interact with
Yes,
our friends, family, and also can do another stuff as well.
yes,
Correct,
and you
correct.
can also enjoy home food.
Yeah. So, what are some perks of working from office? Because there also we get some perks, right?
Yes, when you are going work from office, then you have a more more dedicated and focus of our work.
Yeah.
No any disturbance from our family side and other thing.
Correct, correct. And we also get to improve a lot because of that,
Yes,
and we get some suggestions from our colleagues as well. We are able to have a conversation with them or interact with them on a daily
yes,
basis.
interact with other
We,
people, then make a friend.
yeah, we get a change from our home as well, our regular
Yes,
lifestyle. Okay. So, what are the cons of either modes of work? Like these were the pros. Like these were the perks, correct? So what are the cons, like negative points?
same things when you are going work from office, then you can waste 2 to 3 hours your
Yeah.
on your time and
For your
nothing to
commute,
like
correct,
if you have saved 2 3 hours in home, then you can go anywhere. You can go
correct,
and chill with friends to play some sports and other things.
correct, correct. Which is harder in your opinion? Like which work style is more difficult?
It depends on like which time. In this time, I want to go home in like festival. That's why I will work from home. When you are doing nothing, then you can prepare work from office because you meet some
Correct,
other people and talk to them and refresh yourself.
correct, correct, correct. Okay. So if you could introduce a new style of working, what would it be other than these two?
And but I don't think so. other working style. If work from home and work from office both are, if you if you give two option to like people came work from office or work from home both on your depend.
Yeah,
Maybe
it's also
it's
happening. I think like hybrid,
yes,
right?
it
They
depends
can
on you. Then it's more like comfortable to like consumer or that.
and the person who is doing the
Yes, yes.
job. Okay. Which challenges do you face with either mode? Like, what are the challenges that come along with these work styles?
I'm not going this time any office. Then mostly I go work from office. I
Okay.
didn't any knowledge about work from home right now.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
some office, he said you do work from home, but you came office 2 to 3 days in a week, and
Yeah,
it's
I
a
think that is
rotational.
hybrid. Yeah.
It's hybrid, but it's a rotational. You came office, but rotational. You take rotational day. One
Okay.
day
So the
you
days
do work
also
from
change.
yes. One day you do
Oh.
work from home, and another day you came office. That types.
Okay.
Then
So
you
it's like
can't go any.
alternate days.
Yes,
You can stay at home for one day and another day, like a consecutive day, you have to come to
yes.
office. Oh,
Then you
okay.
can no. You didn't go anywhere. Like you want to
Yeah, yeah.
plan to go anywhere, it's not possible.
Yeah, it won't be. If this is the work style, then it
Yes.
won't be possible to even visit
This time
another place.
mostly company doing same things like you
Yeah.
can do work from home, but you came office in a week 2 to 3 days in an alternative day.
Okay, that I didn't know. I have heard from my friends also, like 5 days you can go to office, like on 5 days you can stay at home, like work from home, and 2 days you have to go to office. Like I alternate days I've heard from you. So there are many things going on. Okay,
Yeah.
what would make your life easier?
This time I'm comfortable with work from home.
Okay, so it
Like I
would
want
make
to
your life.
do with some other things also. When I am,
Yeah,
you know,
go on. Yeah, you can elaborate some
yes,
more. It's good for the conversation also.
like what when you are home, you can easily do some other things. You do some courses, learn some
Yeah,
other things also.
correct,
That's
correct,
it. I
correct. So it makes your life easier
yes.
by giving you more time, more flexibility. Okay.
And when you are living alone, then it's very beneficial. You're not doing work from home
Okay,
because
how so? Yeah.
you have a 2 to 3 hours to go and spend with friends.
Yeah, you have that free time. You can do anything
Yes,
you want, like visiting your friends, going out to eat. Correct.
yes.
Okay. What are the pros and cons from the employer's perspective?
Employer perspective. So in work from home, he paid for Wi-Fi and other things,
Okay.
and also something like many who are in work from home, you didn't dedicate your own work and you take like normal things. It's
You take
very
it
bad for
lightly, you don't,
yes.
yeah, you
It's
don't put in that much effort.
very difficult for employer. But when you are going to work from office, then also he provides some more extra bills like AC are always on and all things.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
It
and
depends on
some employers also give travel allowances also. And if you are
yes,
relocating, they would have to give you that amount also, like for relocation, they'll
Yes, whenever
reimburse you.
relocate, I paid for some amount for taking some accessories or furniture and
Okay.
other things.
Okay, yeah. So both the situations have their own pros and cons. Okay, what would be pros for both the situation for employer?
When work from office or what,
Both
same
in
things.
both scenarios.
It's like directly proportional or indirectly proportional. You can say when you are in office, you can do these things, and when you are in home, that thing you are not doing. It's a directly
That
proportional to
you
this
are
thing.
not doing. Correct. Okay. So, Rahul, just one to two things I've noticed. Firstly, I feel you are a bit more comfortable this time while talking to me. That's a good thing
No,
because yeah.
mostly time I am comfortable with all, but sometimes maybe
Okay. Yeah, okay, it was our first session together. You might be a bit hesitant. Also, while having conversation, you will open up with everybody because you'll get
yes,
more comfortable with the language. It's about the language here, not about the person also. Okay,
that
so
time I came from like some other place and that they're going to maybe hectic. That's why maybe I'm not
okay,
comfortable.
okay, you were a bit tired also. Okay, I didn't know that. So, okay, did I tell you about your pronunciations like last time?
Yes, maybe.
Okay, let me tell you because I've noticed some things like there are some problematic areas, but it's easy to understand you. Like you are putting your points forward nicely, you are speaking in a consistent manner. Okay, just that we have to improve on some isolated areas. Like there are some problematic areas with tenses also. Okay, so for that, what you can do is it's your I think 56, yeah, it's your 56 session, right? So you must have gotten the tenses in your session material, like in earlier sessions, correct?
Yes. No,
Did
I
you read
didn't.
them?
No, I didn't add a tenses session in my material.
You didn't?
No, I can't add tenses material.
Okay. You didn't get the tenses in session
I,
material, or you didn't go through the session material. You didn't read
no,
it,
I
right?
did. Yes, I read it, but there is when you are buy package, there is
Yeah.
one option key you can buy tenses material and you can pay triple nine uh, like
Okay, okay,
you can
okay.
pay
That's
triple
all
nine
right.
more for
Okay, so you get the words for the vocabulary and the topic, correct?
yes,
Okay, we you have an internet connection, correct?
yes,
Everything is available on the internet, so you can go through the tenses.
yes,
Okay,
yes. I
write down
work
some
on it.
differences. Yeah, correct. So do that. Write down the differences. Okay, keep that in mind. I told you the differences between would and could, right? When you have to use would and could in the last session. Okay, write those things down and make some sentences with some words for practicing. Okay, practice
Okay,
your tenses. You'll be able to understand them, but you will get used to them by practicing. Okay, and for that, you'll have to make some sentences. And while making those sentences, you'll also be able to focus on your sentence structure. All right, so do that for some days at least. Then we'll see if it benefits you or not, because it will. You need to get your tenses right,
yes, yes,
correct? Yeah.
definitely.
Okay. Okay. And
If I
during the yeah, go on. Sorry. Go on.
no,
See.
I'm saying if I have a time, then I will say okay. This time, so
Yeah.
it's not possible. Maybe when I am free, I watch some videos.
Yeah. I think you told me also that you
Yes,
don't get much time. Try only for 2, 3 days. Okay. Only for two,
okay,
three days on your weekend, you can take out some time. All right.
Yes,
Take
yes.
out some time for tenses. Just do that constantly for 2 3 days. Then after that, like take 1 hour. Okay, for 2 3 days. Then after that, you can give only 15 minutes for the sentences using tenses. Do this for 10 days straight, 10 to 15 days. You will see the improvement with your tenses because practicing
Okay.
is the key. Okay. And while having conversation, you said you used word people, correct? So you used s with that. You used peoples. Okay. So as we know, people itself is a plural word, correct? So we don't need to use s there.
Okay.
So be mindful of your singular and plurals while speaking. All right. Okay. The main thing is pronunciation. For now, let's focus a bit on pronunciation as well. You pronounce your ver as ber, like work from home. While pronouncing work from home, you say work from home. Also you pronounce your per as per. Okay, so both things get mixed, and your sir as sh. So in all three of them, there's a common difference. Okay, when we say ver, sh, or fur, air passes in between from our teeth. Correct?
Okay.
Say fur,
Oh,
fur. Correct. And when we say her, bur, or sir, if when saying sir, air also passes. But when saying bur and her, our lips touch. They meet. Okay, so try to be mindful of it. If you like to read anything, like if even if you are scrolling your phone and you are reading any article or you are clicking on something and you have to read it, try to read it out loud because you don't get enough
okay.
time as it is. So try to do that while doing your regular things. Okay, so and pay more attention to how you are pronouncing the words, these particular syllables especially. It would be difficult for initial days, but after 15 to 20 days, you'll see the improvement. Like you'll, because you're correcting yourself, you're conditioning your brain, correct? So if
Yes.
you'll be consistent with this, then maybe you'll be able to see the results, right? Read out loud, try to do it more often. Don't start to mumble, because when we are mumbling or when we are reading in our heads, it's not the same. We are not able to hear ourselves, correct? So, and we are not getting the practice, right? So try to
Yes.
read out loud. Okay. Rahul, our session is about to end. I want to inform you so that it doesn't end abruptly. All right.
Okay.
Okay, it was great interacting with you again. Thank you so much for your time, Rahul.